How to know if your channel is doing well or not. Today in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you 4 things to look out for to tell if your channel is doing well or not. So before you consider quitting your YouTube journey, stay tuned, watch this video to the end, and check out your channel and see if you see any of those signs I'm about to mention. So before we forge ahead, I am the face behind this channel and I am Angela. Welcome if you are new here. I'm very excited to have you here. And I love to bring you content that will help you along your content creation journey. I share YouTube growth tips, strategies, and also I share my experience teaching you all so that you don't make the same mistakes. So today I want to share with you 4 signs that you can look out for on your channel to tell if you are on the right track and if your channel is heading somewhere. So number 1 on my list is your click-through rate, which is the CTR. So now, if your videos are having click-through rates of over 5%, kudos to you. You are on the right track. You are actually doing well because any CTR between 5% and 10% is considered good. So if you are having a click-through rate of 5% upward, it means you are doing well and you are on the right track and you should be proud of yourself. So now, even if your click-through rate is not yet up to 5% yet, it is always good to do comparison. Now, how about you go to your first video, check the click-through rate and compare to your current videos and see if there are any slight changes and see if there is decrease or increase in the click-through rate. This is how you can also measure your growth. Stay with me to the end of this video. I will share my dashboard with you and also, just give you a briefing, show you how you can check out your click-through rate for those of us who are new to YouTube and don't really have any idea how to go about this or where to check for your CTR or your video performances. All right, so number 2 on my list is if you are having increase in your watch time, it means you are doing well. It means someone somewhere is viewing your videos, okay? If, let's say every week you're getting an hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, 5 hours more on your watch time, it means that your videos are being pushed out. Someone is actually watching your videos. So if you see these signs, you should be really proud of yourself and celebrate small wins, okay? You don't necessarily need to go viral in the initial stage of your content creation journey to admit that you are doing well or to acknowledge that there is progress, okay? Little things like this is what you can check to measure your growth. So if your CTR is above 5%, or maybe your first video was, let's say, was having CTR of 2% or so, or something like that, but now you are having CTR of 4%, I would say that you are growing. So maybe another 3 months from now, another 6 months from now, your CTR has the potential to increase up to 5%, 6%, even 10% and beyond. So it is important we stay put and measure our growth bit by bit, okay? No reason or no need to compare yourself to any top content creator out there. So celebrate your humble beginnings and learn from your mistakes. So, and also the second thing I mentioned is increase in your watch time, in your watch hour. So that's a sign that your videos are being pushed out. Somebody's actually viewing it, because if you don't have views on your videos, you will not have watch hours or you will not have watch time. So if your watch hours or your watch time is just the same a whole month, there is no plus on your watch hours, it means something is wrong. But as long as you are seeing progress, you are seeing increments on your watch hour, then you should be proud of yourself because something is coming back to you, okay? So then number 3 on my list, something to look out for to tell if your channel is on the right track, is if you can see subscribers showing on your videos. You can check all this information from your YouTube studios on your dashboard, okay, under your analytics. You can check if a video is bringing in subscribers or not. So even if it's just one subscriber, a video is bringing to you, yeah, or a video brought to you, it means that you are on the right track. You are doing something good. It means that someone out there, people out there are actually viewing your content, and someone is actually having interest on the type of content you are creating, and they are subscribing to your channel. So that's a win that you should celebrate. Okay, so then another thing that you can look out for to tell if your video or your channel is doing well is when you start seeing comments from viewers. Maybe they might even request, oh, could you make a video on this or that? It means that you are doing something really nice, and people are out there searching for your type of content. It means that you should keep going and not quit YouTube, because it is only going to be a matter of time before you find all the people that you need to blow up on YouTube. So do not quit, do not give up on your YouTube channel. If you are able to analyze all these points I mentioned here today, and you are seeing those signs on your channel, this is your wake-up call, not to quit, not to give up, rather to keep pushing and double your hustle. So I made a promise last time. I made a promise earlier on in this video that I was going to share my dashboard and show you, these things I mentioned now, or how you can check it out on your channel. So allow me to share my screen. And if you found value from what I'm sharing here today, just do me a favor, subscribe to my channel, like, comment, and share so that other people can as well benefit from the information I am sharing in this video. So here I'm already on my dashboard, yeah, and these are my videos that I have published in the past few months or whatever. So now, if you want to check how your video is performing, I'm going to use this video as an example. So I'm just going to go over to this. You can see here, this symbol represents analytics. I'm just going to tap on it. And then over here, you can see how this video is performing. So far, this video has brought me 18 subscribers, and I've gotten 16.6 watch time or watch hours from this video. And I would say that this is doing well, because compared to when I started my channel, I wasn't having these big results, right? So this is me celebrating my small wins right here. So if I want to check out the analytic or the CTR of this video, I'm just simply going to go over to the reach. Okay, so here you see that I have 1.7K impression. Okay, and now these results here are since is from 12th May till now. Today is I think I'm making this video on the 3rd of June. Okay, so from 12th of May to 3rd of June is the result we are analyzing now. Okay, so I have a reach of 1.7K. Okay, and then my impressions click-through rate, which is the CTR, is 6.7. I would say that this video is doing really good. It's even over 5%. So I'm really proud of myself right now. So this is where you can check out how your videos are performing and how it's doing. So I would say, compared to when I started, I would say I'm on the right track. So this is me right here, inspiring you not to quit, inspiring you how you can measure your success and check out what is working and what is not. And another way to keep the growth going is you can check your channel, check your videos, and see which topics are performing really well for you, which topics or which videos have higher CTR, right? So if you're able to figure out the type of content or the type of video or topics from your channel that are generating this high CTR, all you just need to do is go ahead and create more topics around that topic or recreate them. Okay, so this is one way that you can keep pushing your growth, so that we get more of those success that you are anticipating and all that. So anyway, YouTube journey or content creation journey as a whole is not a one-day thing. So you have to be able to know where to go and check out and measure your success. And this is where your YouTube dashboard comes in your YouTube studio. Okay, you really need to familiarize yourself with your YouTube dashboard, understand the data there, know what is working, know when to change something and when not to change something, and so on and so forth. So this is one way that you can measure your growth. And I want you right now, if you have not been checking out your YouTube studio or your dashboard, let this video be an inspiration to you. Just go over to your dashboard, check out your videos, check out how they are performing, check out the CTR, check out if your videos are bringing in any subscribers, check out your watch hour if it's increasing. These are the ways you can tell that your efforts are not in waste. Okay, so those are the signs that can definitely help you tell if your channel is on the right track. So that's it from me today. If you have not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Go ahead, hit the subscribe button, like, comment, and share this video so that other people can also learn and benefit from this video. And if you have any other thing or any other 2 cents to chip into this video, or you have any idea which other way that creators can measure their growth, feel free to share in the comment section, as we all want to learn and inspire each other to grow. Thank you for watching. And